What is vanishing point? It is used for preserve correct perspective and edit of images, which contains perspective plans. I will explain how vanishing point works. It's very easier. Let's go ahead and I will do a few examples for easily understand what it does. I have opened up this image, which is going to be used for this project now. Come up to Filter menu. Choose Vanishing Point. Remember this. Vanishing point is used for patching and editing images going along perspective plane. So, first we have to tell vanishing point that where the perspective plane is. To do this, select the Create Plane tool, which is already selected by default. Now draw the perspective area like this. First click right on this point. Then go here and click Next Point. And go up and click the third point. Come this side and click again. At first, no need the perfect grid, just draw like this, and can adjust later. Select the Edit Plane tool. Come up to this mark. And drag the grid. Set this grid to the same perspective as the wall. Make sure to keep the top, bottom, and the sides grids must be perspective to the wall. Adjust the top angles. Zoom out, and set this grid to the same perspective as the wall. Remember this. Setting the grid perspectively is very important. Need to adjust a bit in this side. It will take a little time to set up correctly. I have finished setting the grid line. And now vanishing points know where is the perspective plane on this image. Now zoom in. And check all edges of the grid lines. I think it's perfectly fine now. We are going to copy this object. And place another one right next to it. Select the marquee tool. Draw around the object. Now we'll make the same object, in a new place. Hold down the Alt key on the keyboard. Now mouse pointer appears with two arrows. It's mean that it's ready to duplicate the selection. At the same time pressing Shift and Alt key. Drag the selection to the needed place. It is perspectively placed, in a new location. Click outside the marquee tool, in order to deselect the selection. Check this side. Some discoloration appears. It didn't match well. I will show you now how to correct this issues. while the selection is around the object. Go to Healing tab and choose On. Now check this. Perfect now. Discoloration disappeared. Press the Ctrl and Z keys 2 times, in order to undo this process. And now click outside the selection to deselect. Let's see how to remove this object, in the same way as did before. Make a selection like this. Pressing the Shift and Alt keys, drag the selection to the left side. Now go to Heal tab, and select On. The place of the object is patched perspectively now. In this sample, I have shown you how to make copies perspectively, and also do some patch works. Same work could be done in another way. Let's see how to do it now. After setting up the perspective grid lines like this, select the stamp tool and make the changes like these. I am having diameter value around 400, bigger size. Keep the hardness value 0. Opacity 100. Select On, from Heal. And checked Aligned. Pressing the Alt key, click for a sample here. Now come to the place where we want to pass the object perspectively. Simply brush over the place. It's like a copy and paste work. Brush over continuously, till the object is placed on the new location. Check both these objects. They are aligned perspectively. Press Ctrl and Z keys a few times to come back. Now we will remove this object. Come again and select Stamp tool. Click on the place we need to get a sample. And pressing Alt key, click on it. Now brush over this object, in the correct alignment. Really, it's a time-consuming work. Do it slowly for getting a best result. Just shown you the way it should be done. I hope this will be useful to you. If you feel so, please subscribe my channel for more videos.